Hello my dear students. In the previous lecture we have started the topic trigonometric functions. We have seen that the principal solution of trigonometric equation for positive numbers. Now today we will go for negative numbers. Find the principal solution of the trigonometric equation for negative numbers. Okay, to solve these sums, before that we are taking some formula. See formula कैसे आते हैं for the negative numbers. We know that now see coordinate planes divides into four quadrants. XY planes divides into four quadrants: first, second, third, fourth. Okay, by ASTC rule. We know that all trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin theta and cosec theta are positive. In the third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. And in the fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta are positive. Now see, suppose sin theta is negative. Trigonometric equation is given. So here we have given that sin theta equal to minus half. So this is negative number. Where is sin theta negative? Sin theta is positive in the first and second quadrant. It means sin theta is negative in the third and fourth quadrant. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? sin पाई प्लस थीटा इज इक्वल टू माइनस sin थीटा फर्स्ट. एंड फॉर द फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? sin 2 पाई माइनस थीटा is equal to minus sin theta. We will get both the values from the formula, allied angles formula. Third, in the third quadrant, sin theta is negative, so formula is sin pi plus theta because angle lies in between pi to 3 pi by 180 to 270 degree. Therefore, formula is sin pi plus theta is minus sin theta. Otherwise, theta lies in the fourth quadrant because in the fourth quadrant sin theta is negative. तो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? sin 2 pi minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Angle lies between 270 degree to 360 degree. Now suppose cos theta is negative. Cos theta is positive in the first and fourth quadrant. It means cos theta is negative in the second and third quadrant. तो सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. और थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट के लिए 180 to 270 डिग्री, इसके लिए क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? cos pi plus theta is also equal to minus cos theta. Similarly, suppose tan theta or cot theta is negative. So where is tan theta and cot theta are positive? Tan theta and cot theta are positive in the first and third quadrant. It means in the remaining two quadrants, tan theta and cot theta are negative. Tan theta is negative in the second quadrant. तो इसके लिए क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? tan pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. अगर फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में एंगल है तो उसके लिए क्या फॉर्मूला होगा? 360 डिग्री से कम. तो ये होगा tan 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Okay, by using this formula, we can find the solution of trigonometric equation for negative numbers. Now see the exercise 3.1. Question is, find the principal solutions of the following trigonometric equation. Now see the first question. First question is sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now, for which angle sin theta is minus 1 upon 2? See, before that, minus side as it is. For which angle sin theta is half? We know that sin 30 degree is half. So 30 degree means pi by 6. Sin theta equal to minus sin pi by 6. Say equation 1. And now use the formula. Both the values will get from the formula, allied angles formula. Okay, we know that from the allied angles formula. Now क्या formula है? First sin pi plus theta, sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. First formula. And second one is sin 2 pi minus theta also is equal to minus sin theta. Now see, sin, now here if we put theta equal to pi by 6, it becomes minus sin pi by 6. It means take theta is equal to pi by 6 here. So what happened? Sin pi plus pi by 6 is equal to minus sin pi by 6. Minus sin pi by 6. Okay, minus sin pi by 6 is equal to sin theta. So sin pi plus pi by 6, 6 into pi, 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi upon 6 minus sin pi by 6 is equal to sin theta by equation 1. Okay, therefore sin theta is equal to sin 7 pi upon 6. दोनों जगह से साइन निकालिए तो थीटा इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? 7 pi upon 6. You can check it. The condition is satisfied or not. Pi is 180. 180 upon 6 is 30. 30 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 210 degree. The angle 210 degree lies in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant sin theta is negative. Similarly here, put theta is equal to pi by 6, sin 2 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus sin pi by 6. Okay, we are taking theta is equal to pi by 6. Here is minus sin pi by 6. तो थीटा का वैल्यू pi by 6 लिया दोनों जगह. ओके, sin 2 pi 6 into 2 pi 12 pi 12 pi minus pi 11 pi upon 6 is equal to, this is minus sin pi by 6 is equal to sin theta by equation 1. This is also by 1. Okay, from this we can write, take right hand side first. Sin theta equal to sin 11 pi upon 6. Sin cancel होगा, क्या रहेगा? थीटा is equal to 11 pi upon 6. You can verify whether the angle lies in between 0 to 360 degree or not. We know that pi is 180. 180 upon 6, 30. 30 into 11, that is 330 degree. 330 degree lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sin theta is negative. This angle sin theta is equal to 7 pi by 6, which lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant also sin theta is negative. Condition is satisfied, and 0 less than equal to 7 pi upon 6 less than equal to 2 pi, and 0 less than equal to 11 pi upon 6 less than equal to 2 pi. Hence, required principal solutions are theta is equal to, first value 7 pi upon 6 and second value is 11 pi upon 6. These are the required principal solutions of the given trigonometric equation sin theta is equal to minus 1. Do you understand? We have taken the first one by using the first trigonometric allied angle formula. Now we take the second and third. Secondly, we check in terms of cos, and third we take in terms of tan. Okay, now we see the second one. In the problem regarding this, I think it is very easy. Now we see the second sum. Okay, for the second one, we use the second formula. Now see, the second question is root 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. Second one is root 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this we can write root 2 cos x is equal to minus 1, and you will get cos x is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. Cos x is negative. Okay, where is cos theta positive? First and fourth quadrant. Cos theta is negative in the second and third quadrant. Okay, second and third quadrant के लिए क्या फॉर्मूला है? Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos pi plus theta is minus cos theta. Second के लिए cos pi minus theta. Third के लिए cos pi plus theta. Now see, here theta is equal to x. So cos x is equal to minus, for which angle cos theta is 1 upon root 2. We know that cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. 45 degree means pi upon 4, pi by 4. So it is cos pi by 4. Okay, now use the formula. We know that क्या फॉर्मूला है? cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, and second one is cos pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Now here theta is equal to x. Theta is equal to x. So here we can take theta is equal to pi by 4. So this becomes cos pi minus pi by 4. If we replace theta by pi by 4, we will get minus cos pi by 4. So minus cos pi by 4 will get cos pi minus theta, cos pi minus pi by 4. So cos pi minus pi by 4 is minus cos pi by 4. Okay, cos pi minus pi by 4 क्या आएगा? 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi upon 4 is equal to minus cos pi by 4 is equal to cos x. So this is cos x by equation 1. Okay, by 1. Say this equation 1. Okay, now therefore cos x is equal to cos 3 pi upon 4. Okay, cos निकाल दिया तो क्या रहेगा? x is equal to 3 pi upon 4. Now secondly, use the second formula. Cos pi plus theta is minus cos theta. Cos pi plus theta, theta you have to take pi by 4 is equal to minus cos pi by 4. Okay, cos pi plus pi by 4, LCM लीजिए, 4 into pi, 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi upon 4, and minus cos pi by 4 equal to cos x. Okay, by equation 1. Therefore cos x is equal to, इंटरचेंज कीजिए, इसको LHS में लिखिए, इसको RHS में लिखिए. cos x is equal to cos 5 pi upon 4. और directly you can take the equality. X is equal to 5 pi by 4. X is equal to 5 pi upon 4. Now you can check it whether these angles lie in between 0 to 60 degree or not. Now you see here pi equal to 180. 180 upon 4, 45. 45 into 3, 135 degree. It means angle lies in second quadrant. Okay, here pi equal to 180. 180 upon 4, that is 45. 45 into 5. 45 into 5 कितना आएगा? 225 degree. 225 lies in the third quadrant. Okay, write down the condition. Now 0 less than equal to 3 pi by 4 less than equal to 2 pi, and 0 less than equal to 5 pi upon 4 less than equal to 2 pi. Both the conditions are satisfied. Hence, required principal solutions are x is equal to 3 pi upon 4 and 5 pi upon 4. These are the required principal solution of the given trigonometric equation. The root 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, first sum we are seeing in terms of sine, second we are seeing in terms of cos. Now we are going to see the third one, which is in terms of tan. Okay, any doubt regarding to this? I think it is so simple procedure. Now take the third one. Now here tan r part is negative. Now see the third question. Okay, third question is tan theta equal to minus 1. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. एकाद आपके प्रैक्टिस के लिए अगर नेगेटिव नंबर्स है वो भी देख लीजिए. ओके, tan theta is equal to minus 1. Now see, tan theta equal to minus 1. For which angle tan theta is 1? We know that tan 45 degree is 1. So it is minus tan 45 degree. 45 degree means pi by 4. Okay. Now say this equation 1. Now here we have to use the allied angles formula. See here, which formula? Tan pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Tan 2 pi minus theta equal to minus tan theta. Okay, tan theta is negative in the second and fourth quadrant. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट के लिए फॉर्मूला tan pi minus theta is minus tan theta और फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में एंगल रहेगा तो फॉर्मूला रहेगा tan 2 pi minus theta is minus tan. ओके, वी नो दैट फॉर्मूला लिखिए. फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला tan pi minus theta इक्वल टू माइनस tan theta और सेकेंड फॉर्मूला है tan 2 pi minus theta इक्वल टू माइनस tan theta. ओके, ये दो फॉर्मूले. नाउ फर्स्ट, here is minus tan pi by 4. If we put theta equal to pi by 4, you will get minus tan pi by 4. Okay, so that's why put theta is equal to pi by 4 here. What happened? Tan pi minus pi by 4 is equal to minus tan pi by 4. Okay, pi minus pi by 4, LCM 4 into pi, 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi upon 4. Minus tan pi by 4 is equal to tan theta. Okay, tan कंपेयर कीजिए तो थीटा इक्वल टू क्या रहेगा? Theta is equal to 3 pi upon 4. Now we can verify angle lies between 0 to 360 degree or not. Pi is 180, 180 upon 4 is 45, 45 into 3, that is 135 degree. 135 degree lies in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant tan theta is negative. Okay, now condition is 0 less than equal to 3 pi by 4 less than equal to 2 pi. Now second equation, again minus tan theta. Put theta equal to pi by 4, then you will get minus tan pi by 4. Tan 2 pi minus, put theta equal to pi by 4 to both sides. 2 pi minus pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4. ओके, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे लिखा बाय इक्वेशन 1. सेम थिंग हियर, tan 4 into 2 pi, 8 pi minus pi, 7 pi upon 4 minus tan pi by 4 equal to tan theta by equation 1. Here also same thing, minus tan theta equal to minus tan pi by 4 equal to tan theta. Same thing here. Okay, now compare tan. So you will get theta is equal to 7 pi upon 4. Verify that pi upon 180 upon 4 is 45. 45 into 7. 45 into 7 कितना आएगा? 315 degree. 315 degree lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant tan theta is negative. Condition indicates 0 less than equal to 7 pi by 4 less than equal to 2 pi. Then write down the required solution. Hence, required principal solutions are required principal solutions are. First solution क्या है? X is equal to 3 pi upon 4. And second one is x is equal to 7 pi by 4. These are the required solutions for tan theta equal to -1. Okay. Now in the similar manner, we can find the principal solutions of the angles. First one is √3 cosec theta plus 2 equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to -r. Similarly, cot theta equal to -1 upon √3. Okay, this is for your homework. You can solve it in the similar manner and find the principal solutions of all these three by using these three formulas. Okay, both the values you will get from the trigonometric allied angles formula. Okay, पॉजिटिव नंबर के लिए आपको एक वैल्यू डायरेक्ट मिलती है, एक फॉर्मूला यूज करके मिलती है। निगेटिव नंबर्स के लिए दोनों वैल्यूज आपको फॉर्मूले यूज करके ही मिलती है। यूज ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक allied angles formula and find the required value of x or theta. You will get the required principal solution. Okay, you understand? Okay, I think you understood. Okay, we will see in the next video.